Hey guys, Yo here, back in the video, and today just a quick little tutorial for Davinci Resolve. I'm starting to learn it myself, so I'm not an expert, don't quote me on anything here, but this is just a picture-in-picture kind of tutorial, very quick. A lot of videos tutorial I've seen, they show you how to put it on top, like, oh yeah, look, just drag it on top of there, whatever's on top is on top. Got Sobble from the new Pokemon game there. And then I'm like, okay, cool. So how do I edit it? You go to the inspector panel and then you transform and you do just zoom. Oh, and then you go to position. You can do that, right? And that's nice. It's cool fine control that you have there, just like any other NLE editing program. But I'm like, wait, I can't just press on the thing and move it around. Like I'm just looking right now furiously, and you don't see boxes or anything that to tell me that I can modify it. There's a little button on your preview screen right here. You click that. Oh! On-screen controls right there. That's what I'm looking for. And I can do that. I'm flipping over. Oh, can I not flip it? Oh, interesting. Okay. Well, yeah. That's just my quick little tutorial in case you guys have been looking through a bunch of videos like I did, because I looked through 4 videos, couldn't find it. Went to Black Magic's official video that's 45 minutes. Went through almost the end of it to finally find, I can modify it on screen. So yes, enjoy your editing wherever you can. This is a small video again. I'm not no expert, but yeah, this is me and my beginnings in Davinci Resolve. We'll see where it goes. And thanks for watching.